how to fade out a video in Canva. To show you this, I've prepared this little video here. And what we want to do is we add another page at the end of our video. I go to this top left corner here where it says background color, and I'm going to change this all the way to black, like this. Now we choose our last panel from the video, we right click on it, and we click on add transition. Then what you want to do is use dissolve, and that will make your last page fade into black. And you also don't need it to be this long, so I'm just gonna shorten this last page like this. And as you can see, when we end the video, it fades to black like this. And that's how you fade out a video in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.